കണ്ടവരോ?
അതെ. ബാക്കിലെ ഫ്രണ്ടിലോ?
ബാക്കില്
ഹോസ്പിറ്റലാ ഫുള്ള്? ആ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഫുള്ള് ഹോസ്പിറ്റലാ? അപ്പൊ ബാക്ക് തൊട്ട് പോവാ?
അപ്പുറത്തെ റോഡ് അപ്പുറത്തെ റോഡ്
റൈറ്റ് എടുത്ത് പോലെ
അപ്പുറത്തെ റോഡ് അതിൽ പോലെ
ഇതല്ല.
ഇത് സ്കൂളാണ് ഇതല്ല. എന്താണ്
കാണില്ല തീരെ. ഇപ്പൊ ഇതിനെ നൽകാത്ത അവിടെ എടുത്തിട്ട് നമ്പുണ്ട്.
My dear, for the first time in the Gulf, the smart, stylish water dispenser that lets you avoid heavy lifting and conceals the bottle completely.
Breakfast number 1 on City 1016. Brought to you by
Malabar Gold. अब zero deduction facility के साथ पैसे बचाएं. City.
City 1016. News update.
With two iPhone 4S with loads of data, minutes, and no contract.
Good morning from the ARN News Centre. I'm Natasha Thomas. A Bangladeshi man's reportedly been sentenced to 6 months in jail by a Dubai court after being found guilty of kidnap and running a brothel. According to court papers, an acquaintance of the suspect had told police the man was running a prostitution den. After filing the report, the defendant and a friend allegedly lured the informer to an apartment before assaulting him and locking him in the bathroom for 4 days. The men were demanding their victim pay 15,000 before they'd set him free. Guard officers managed to rescue him following a tip-off. The actor George Clooney, who was arrested at the weekend outside the Sudanese embassy in Washington, is reviewing his call on the Obama administration to take tough action against the government of President Omar al-Bashir. Media, the White House needs to take urgent steps to protect the Nuba tribe. on Saturday. One of the two captured men runs a travel agency in Pune, while the other is a tourist. The Maoists say the duo was taking objectionable pictures of tribal women. The rebel group says it does not want to mediate, but wants the state government to act on its demands, which include the release of political prisoners and a halt to Operation Green Hunt. And finally, real-life couple Amitabh and Jaya Bachchan are set to come together on screen in Shahid Sarwar's next film. Director has reportedly said that the movie will be an intense